In today's video, I'm going to teach you, is ChatGPT available on Google Play Store? The short answer is yes. ChatGPT is officially available for Android through the Google Play Store, and the app you're looking for is simply called ChatGPT. It's published by the company behind the technology, OpenAI, and it works on most modern Android devices. That means if you've got a reasonably up-to-date phone or tablet, you can likely install it and start chatting right away. When you find the listing, take a moment to confirm you've got the authentic app. Look for the developer name listed as OpenAI. This is important because popular apps sometimes attract lookalikes that can be confusing or even unsafe. The official listing will clearly show OpenAI as the publisher. If anything looks off, like a slightly different name, odd branding, or a developer you don't recognize, back out and search again for ChatGPT by OpenAI. It's also a good habit to glance at the app icon, the download count, and recent reviews to make sure everything aligns with what you expect from a well-known app. Once installed, you'll have full access to ChatGPT on mobile. Your conversations can sync across devices, so chats you start on your phone can be continued on your computer and vice versa, as long as you're signed in to the same account. The app supports text input for quick typing, and many versions also include voice input, so you can speak your question hands-free. Depending on the version and your device, you may also see support for file uploads, which can be helpful for sharing documents or images when working through a task. Keep in mind that access and features can vary depending on whether you're using the free plan or a paid plan. Paid plans typically unlock additional capabilities or performance benefits, while the free plan gives you the core experience. Feature availability can also change as the app updates, so if you don't see something today, it may arrive in a future release. One more practical note. ChatGPT needs an active internet connection to function. For the best experience, use a stable Wi-Fi network or ensure you have sufficient mobile data. So, the bottom line is simple. ChatGPT is officially on the Google Play Store for Android, and it's safe to use when you download it from the verified OpenAI listing. Check the developer name, install the app, sign in, and you're ready to go.